Now, the next one we have who command. Okay? The who command display the following list of information. So, sorry, it was came. So, we are going to run a command something called as who, 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 right. That means who are the users. Now, you are running the machine, might be you created multiple user account, right. I want to see that which users is that, right. So, to know that we have to run the command called who. Okay. So, you are going to write, just type WHO who, see what result you are getting. Something like this you are getting. Are you getting something like this? You will get something information who. If multiple users are there, it will display. If you are in root directory, it will give you, you create. So, to see this result, what you do? You create some more user in your Unix machine, right, and then you run the who command. So, there is some different users are there, root, Kumar, Raj, Sharma, something will be there. What result you are getting? What result you are getting? And what I said, you have to use who. So, what happened? I have only one user here. That is what it is showing me, only one user. Okay. There is some date time. What you do? To create multiple users, that we will learn next. You can create other user, right, and you can then you run the who command. It will give you the what are the users, who are the users on that machine, it will give you the details. Clear? And see, in the examination when you are writing who, you should write the result also. Don't simply you give who are the users, finish, $who, stop. You write the result, at least 2-3 user details, which I have shown in the output, that means here in the on the presentation, that you have to show something, the information, right. Now, for the who command, we have few options. As we saw in ls, we had some options, right. Similarly, we have some options for the who also, that is -H, and this option will provide you the header information. Along with that, we have -U, that will provide more detailed list, right. So, what you are going to do? You are going to type $-H, sorry, who -HU, right. So, let us execute and see that what is happening. So, what I will do? I will type here first who space -H only I will give first. So, what happened? Now, you can see that it is giving the header information, right. As I said previously, you see the result, we were not getting header. What is the Kali, what is the TTY7 and then other details, right. But you can see here now, I am able to see that name, the Kali is the name, line is the TTY7, time, which time accessed, right. So, now I am accessing the machine, that is why last access time it is there. Time is different because it is a different time zone. Comment, any comment for the particular user while creating, there is no comment, so nothing is displayed. Now, as I said, just give -U, who -U. What happened? Now, you see that any details has been added here, detailed list. Now, you can see that some more information has been, seconds also getting added, right. Now, let us combine this command and see the result what you are getting. So, when you add header, you will get to know that. So, on Unix, whenever you are running any command, right, any user also, every user will be having PID, processor identification number, right, process ID. Every command will be having also process ID. So, this is the process ID, any comment? No, idle. How long I am idle on the screen? That also will be recorded, right. So, every detailed information will be there when you combine -h minus u for detailed information. The moment you use -h, very easy, h indicates header, that means header name will give, like column name will be displayed. Clear? Clear guys? Any question? Have you executed? Please execute. Please execute -h and -u, see the result. Executed guys? Hope everyone executed. Anyone not getting the result? If you are not getting the result, please ask me. Huh? Listing inode number.
Is it what, like the IP address or?
No. Every folder will be having some inode number. Unique identification number will be there. Clear? Okay. Type. Already who will be there? Who am I? Type. See what result? What result is coming? Type who am I? Give a space and run. No result.
Without a space only. Without a space it will not.
Without a space, it will not give. That's what.
Without a space it will give.
With the space it will not give.
Without a space it is giving. With a space it will not giving.
That's what I'm doing. With a space, it will not give. Wait, that's what I'm coming. What result you are getting, guys? Nothing? Are you getting nothing? Okay, now what you do? You combined all and enter. Who am I? Together, no space.